Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And as you can see right here, we've got the resolution. So all we have to do in order to change it is to actually tap on it. So currently we've got, I believe, 1080p with 30 frames per second. Oh, fortunately, it will just open the option connected with the resolution, which is really good. So currently we've got this one. You can set 720p or 4K, it's up to you, and you can also change frames per second. So all you have to do is to tap on the option, it will be immediately applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.